Good morning, Wildcats. Happy Monday. We are going to get started with place value today. Today we are adding numbers into the thousands place. So we're going to start off by watching a video, and we're going to go on from there.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all that fit inside the ones place value line. So I picked a number there and made a group of 10 that fit into a bag perfectly even. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I had to keep picking pairs, the hunger I had to feed. So I picked another 10, and that led to one group of 100. The bear bumped me on the head, and I said, 10 ones make 10. 2 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. I rode my bike 1 whole mile, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in a little while, another mile made one group of 10. A little voice inside my head said, keep going, I know you can. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I never knew I had so many miles inside me. The end of my trip was coming up ahead. I rode 10 more miles and reached 100. Then that little voice inside my head said, 10 ones make 10. 2 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. After the bell rang at 8 o'clock, I started playing with my base 10 blocks. I stacked up 9, and then one more made 10, and then 10 tens equaled 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Another 100 wouldn't fit in the 100 space. I had to write one group in the thousands place. Then I played the air bass. 10 ones make 10. 2 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. 10 ones make 10. 2 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. 10 groups of 1,000 equal 10,000. 10,000 make 100,000. And 10 of those make 1 million. And the pattern has no end.
All right. Hopefully you like that song. I love listening to stuff like that. It helps me remember, and it helps me do my math lessons better. So we're going to start off today talking about decomposing numbers. Can anyone tell me what decomposing numbers means? Okay, so if you said breaking apart numbers, then you are right. Okay, so we're going to decompose numbers. Remember, we're going to decompose. Do it with me. Decompose. Okay, and then when we compose numbers, we are creating them. So we're going to take all the stuff and put it together and create a number. We are going to compose. Compose. Okay, so today we're going to start off with decomposing. We're going to start off with composing. I'm going to give you a number, and we are introducing today the thousands place. Okay, so we've been working with hundreds, tens, and ones. But now we are going to have the thousands place. Okay, we have the thousands place. So whenever you have, or whenever you're going to create a symbol to represent thousands, it's going to look like that. Okay, that's how we're going to represent thousands. Okay, who can tell me how we represent hundreds? A square. That's right. 100. Okay. Tens. And last but not least, our ones. Okay. So now we have thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay. I am going to create a number, and I want you to compose it. Okay. So I want you to compose it to create the number. We are going to do it together for this one, though. Okay. Okay, so we are going to start with this number right here. Okay, so let's start with our ones place. If I'm looking at this, we can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to put a 6 in the ones place. 6 is going to go right in our ones. Who can tell me how many we have in our tens place? 2. If you said 2, you got it correct. Okay, we have 10, 20, 10, 20. Okay, how many hundreds do we have in here? Hundreds. We got to count them. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 in our hundreds place. Okay, so normally we would stop right there, right? And we'd have 326. Okay, but today we're adding in thousands. So right here, I only have 1,000. So I'm just going to put a 1 right there. And all together we have 1,326. And we always put a comma whenever we do thousands. 1,326. Okay, how are you guys feeling so far? We feel good, not so good, terrible, thumbs down. Okay, well, we're going to keep working. This time, I'm going to give you the number, and we are going to figure out what our picture of base 10 blocks looks like. Okay, so we have this number right here. Okay, this number right here. So we have 1,264. Okay, now I want us to figure out what is this going to look like. Okay, when we decompose this number, what is it going to look like? We are going to break it apart. Okay, so let's start in our thousands place. Let's start in our thousands place. Who can tell me what that picture is going to look like? Okay, if you said that symbol right there, then you are correct. That symbol means 1,000. How many am I going to have in my hundreds place? If you said 2, then you are correct. So we have 1,200. Okay, we have 2 hundreds. 1, 2. How many am I going to have in my tens? Let's see. Okay, if you drew 6. Okay, if you drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you got it correct. Okay, now we're going to do our ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if yours looks like this, then you did great. Now, and if yours doesn't look like this, that's okay. We're still learning, right? This is still new to us. Okay, so let's do another one, and I want to do it where I give you the picture so we can compose it. Isn't that fun? All right. All right. I'm going to give you this number, and I want you to compose it. I want you to see how many there is. Okay? You got to be like spies and decode it. We got to figure this one out. Okay, so you can pause this video and try to figure out what this number is. Okay, I'm going to work on it also. Okay, welcome back. In the ones place, we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 in the ones place. In the tens place, we have 1, 2, 3, which represents 10, 20, 30. So we have 3 in the tens place. Let me point to the right spot. 3 in the tens place. So we have 37 so far. Now we had lots of 100s today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Mrs. Chavez almost messed up. I almost put 7, and then I had to recount to make sure I got it right. Okay, and when I recounted, I got 8. So we have 837. Okay, now I'm going to show you today's lesson. Okay, today's lesson is going to look just like this. Okay, so we're going to do composing and decomposing numbers. Oops. Okay, so whenever you get to it, you're going to have the directions on each slide. Okay, you will have the directions on each slide. So the first one, you are going to compose, and on the second line, or on the second slide, you're going to decompose. Okay, so there's instructions for you on each of the tabs. At the bottom, there's going to be a little headphones, and you can hear me giving the instructions right there. Okay, so this is on your Google Classroom, and if you need help, you can come back to this video for any assistance.